Shit got me excited, like, oh! Yeah, I get excited, man. You just don't know. Just curious.
Well, he did say you got to break it to get it out.
But if I could just drill a hole, if we could replace the thing, because I got another machine at my buddy's place. His barn
Drill a
fell,
hole in the plastic?
and it fell.
Okay.
So my thing is, you need one out of the 3 machines. I can get another plastic from either this one or the other one.
So yeah, you
I
just
drill a
break in the
hole
plastic.
right here.
Yeah, break it. Let's get
Wherever
that code.
wherever-
We on a roll right now.
That code,
We
shit.
got some momentum. Break it.
Where I can open the machine at. If it's this plastic, will let me open the machine. I think it's this one. Yeah, I think it's this one here, the second one. But let me just, I don't want to damage like this stuff. So let me just cut a slot in here.
All right,
It
do
is
what you
it is,
do
know
what
I'm
you gotta
saying?
do.
Yeah. It's not a whole lot. You know what I'm saying? You know what? I probably took the screwdrivers over there and popped that out. Woo! Woo! Heat it back up, so. Actually, this one. So much for breaking into a vending machine, huh? Now, before we do anything, point it in there and see how it works out. If you get some numbers, I'm gonna be. Because remember, you were pointing like when you and the other machine, you were pointing like somewhere down here, but it's all probably the same. Oh boy. And if not, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that other piece out and I'm gonna try to manually open the door. Oh shit.
It's gonna come back.
Yep. That's it.
Okay.
Here, hold that.
I was like, come on, we gotta get this. So, okay. So I guess maybe it takes time to read them all.
Probably so. Yeah. So
Wow.
let's shut this machine off and primarily work on this one. We can get this one too. Now we got two. That's what happens when you keep trying. You don't give up. Yep. Look at red. I said, well, you know
Let
what?
me see if it'll pop up.
It's gonna pop up again because now, see? You gotta keep trying. That's all
Yeah.
that was. I'm gonna leave this here for now.
So it works.
Kind of hurt my hand to get in there. Yeah.
So
now,
if you need your vending machine key fob number, give me a call.